Let's have a look in tied connections. Probably not the most common connection for multi-story timber buildings. You may be wondering why anyone would want to use rope instead of nails or screws. Well, tied connections have their own unique advantages and limitations, governed by physics and material science. Let's talk materials. The effectiveness of a tied connection depends on both the type of wood and the rope material. For instance, synthetic ropes may offer high tensile strength, but can degrade under UV light. High-rise buildings in Hong Kong are accompanied by intricate structures of bamboo scaffolding, which are tightly strapped together with plastic ties. Remarkably, up to 1,000 square feet of this scaffolding can be erected in just one day. Despite the towering heights, the bamboo scaffolding proves to be a rapid, flexible, and surprisingly robust means of construction. The physics behind a tied connection are fascinating. When the rope is tightened, it exerts a compressive force on the wood. This makes the connection robust but flexible. However, the stress distribution is non-uniform, which can lead to localized weaknesses. Tied connections generally have lower tensile and shear strength compared to their nailed or screwed counterparts. This means they are less suitable for heavy structural loads. Environmental factors play a role too. Tied connections can be vulnerable to temperature changes and moisture, which may lead to material degradation over time. Architecture students from TU Delft designed a temporary circular watchtower without the use of screws, glue, or nails. The wood beams are instead clamped together with steel bands, preserving the integrity of the wood for future reuse. This project scores high on aspects of circularity and detachability, making it an excellent example of modern, sustainable design. The People's Pavilion for Dutch Design Week was built using 100% borrowed materials. All elements, including concrete and wooden beams, were strapped together without screws, glue, or nails, and returned to their original owners unharmed. The pavilion showcases how tied connections can be integral to the new circular economy, focusing on sustainability and intelligent construction methods. To sum up, tied connections are great for temporary structures, aesthetic purposes, and scenarios where easy assembly and disassembly are needed. However, they may not be suitable for heavy-duty or long-term structural applications.